Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my new video. Today guys, I'm going to show you how you're going to turn to the left when the examiner or the instructor will ask you to turn to the left. Okay, you will be that road. First thing is your mirror should be aligned with the corner. Okay, when you are at the crossroad and you want to take a turn to the left. Okay, first stop on the line and make sure the street is clear. Okay, make sure both sides is straight, because if you turn to the left you need to look both sides. Okay, so make sure the street is clear, and then when you are already sure there is no cars coming from left or right, go ahead and turn the steering wheel just one turn. One turn is enough. You will be seeing your car going to the way to that road on the right side. Okay, here we go. I make sure both sides no one, so I can turn one turn. Thank you guys for watching. See you inshallah in the next video. Thank you.